Hi everyone. So let's discuss about the impact of menopause on skin aging. So as we know that we are aging and biologically our clock also ticks. So when we reach a certain age, the menopause kicks in and the estrogen levels become low with as we age. So because the estrogen level becomes less, the collagen production of skin also becomes less, which leads to increased dryness, increase in the pigmentation, increase in the wrinkles and a duller looking skin. So if you're aging, the menopause is approaching, the estrogen is reducing, your skin will also age. It has been seen that certain patients who have undergone oophorectomy or removal of the ovaries at an early age might have the features of aging at an early age. So which include dullness, dryness, increased sunspots, increased pigmentation, increased fine lines. So how to prevent and go about them? So to prevent them, you can use a sunblock on a regular basis, use something which has hyaluronic acid on a daily basis, use a good ceramide containing moisturizer. At night you can start with your retinols which help in building the collagen and the elastin. Also you can use peptides which again increase the firmness of the skin, and if you have any kind of pigmentation you can consult your dermatologist and start using certain antioxidants, the oral antioxidant, the topical antioxidants like vitamin C. And if all of these are working, just continue with them. If they are not working, go and discuss with your dermatologist. So as we are aging, the hormones are changing, the estrogen is reducing. So what is happening? There is an increased chance of the facial hair growth also because of the reduction in the estrogen and increase in the androgens. And also there might be an increased tendency for acne, which is also known as acne tarda. So you can consider using something in the face washes which have salicylic acid. And if you have developed facial hair, you can consider going for laser hair reduction. Also, why? Because once the hair starts turning gray, even the laser hair reduction also does not respond to white or gray hair. So start as soon as possible as you see the sign of aging in yourself. Thank you.